How to fix and solve too many operations on Litmatch app. To fix too many operation error on the Litmatch app, the easiest solution is to simply wait for a short period of time before performing any further actions. Now this is because the app has detected excessive activity from your account and is temporarily limiting your interaction to prevent server overload. Here's few things how you could try in order to fix the issue. First of all, you could actually reduce your activity as I mentioned before. You could limit swiping and then space out actions as well. That means don't rapidly perform multiple actions like liking, disliking, or sending message in a quick succession. You could also take a break, that is give the app a short break between sessions to reset the system as well. Apart from it, you could also make sure to check for an internet connection. Now internet connection plays a major role, so go to your settings, or you could simply swipe up and then you could go ahead and see whether you're connected to your internet or not. So here you could actually go ahead and disconnect it, once again reconnect it or refresh it, and then this should be able to fix it as well. Or else you could also try completely closing the application and then restarting. So for that, what you could do is you could actually go and swipe up and close the application completely. Once done, you could go ahead and long press the application, and at the same time you could go to this app info section, then go to storage and cache. Here click on cache, clear cache as well as that data, and then click the OK button, and after which you could go and try login in, see whether the issue has been fixed or not. In some cases, if the application has not been updated for a long time, then it could be the other issue. So go to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to go ahead and type in Litmatch. When you locate Litmatch, see whether the app needs to be updated or not. So after doing this, you should be able to fix the issue. However, if not the case, and if the issue persists on continues despite trying all of these steps, you could reach out to the Litmatch customer support for further assistance. So for that, you could go ahead and exit out of this page, open up a browser and type in Litmatch support, and over here you could go to the first link that comes, and you could go ahead and type in or send a feedback. They will be able to provide you with the information or solutions. So that's the way you could fix and solve too many operation on Litmatch app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.